Now that we have all of our pages set up, we want to be able to answer a question. If someone were to opt in to our page, how many of those people would actually become buyers? How many of them would actually become buyers of the upsell? And we want to be able to look at Google Analytics to answer that question. And so we're going to do that and we're going to set it up in Google Analytics right now. So we're going to start with the goals page. And what we're going to do is we are going to click create a new goal. We're going to work with the make a payment template. Now, because we want to know how many people are going to make it all the way through the funnel, we're actually going to place the upsell download page in the destination. Now, we can put in a value for the upsell. And what we want to do now is turn on the funnel. And we want to place the steps in on the way to actually getting to the end of the funnel. Now, in this case, we've determined that success is going to be that when the person has opted in, they're going to be taken directly to the sales page. So we're going to have that set up in our funnel. And then if they purchase the product, they're going to be taken immediately to the upsell page, and then they would be taken to the goal destination. So if someone made it all the way through all three steps, we want to find out how many of those people were those that actually opted in to our page. So once we have all the steps there, we're actually going to click Save. And we have now set up a success funnel that we want to be able to track the data to find out if people that are opting in are also completing the entire funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.